about the Infinix Note 8i. Let's go to settings, my phone, scroll down so you can get it properly. Device name, Infinix Note 8i, model Infinix X683, Android version 10. Note 8i comes with a 4 gigs of RAM and a 64 GB internal storage, a 48 MP quad rear cameras, Android 10, resolution 720 by 1640, a 5200 mAh large battery with a closer look, a Helio G80 CPU. Let's go to the front now. At the front, a single home punch 8 MP camera. Alright, the screen looks quite nice. You can either reduce or increase the brightness. It looks quite nice. Now let's turn to the back so you get a proper view of it. Now it has 4 cameras there, 48 MP, 2 MP, 2 MP, 2 MP also, and 4 tiny LEDs are also in there. Alright, it says AI quad cameras there, 1, 2, 3. Alright, let's take a look at the SIMs. It has dual nano SIMs plus a dedicated SD card slot. Alright, now at the bottom of the phone, its speakers located at the bottom of the phone in a circular format, so you can see it. Now it also comes with a dedicated headphone jack, a mic, and supports USB Type-C 18-watt fast charging. Okay, now speakers circular format like I said before. Alright, now the screen 720 resolution by 1640. It looks quite nice. Alright, it's quite bright. At the side, the fingerprint mounted by the side also acts as the power button. You press it, screen goes up, press it, screen comes on again. You hold it, press it, screen goes up, press it, screen comes on again. Alright, let's look at the camera. Look at the front camera there. It's transitioning. It's quite nice. Switching is quite nice. It's quite smooth. Alright, let's go to the front. Now from the home screen itself. Alright, when you scroll up, it takes to your app drawer menu. Like from your home screen, scroll up, it takes to your app drawer menu. Scroll up again, app drawer menu. Scroll up, app drawer menu, where you can see your pre-installed apps. Alright, like YouTube for instance. Now let's go back. YT Music for instance. Let's go back. Yo Party for instance. Let's go back, whatever that means. Let's go back. Let's clear them. Let's clear all of them. Alright, now that is all for the Infinix Note 8i, the lower version of an Infinix Note 8 with lower 4 gigs of RAM. Alright, now I hope you enjoyed this video guys. Now if you do, leave a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.